Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video. Today we have a 2017 Lincoln MKZ Reserve. This thing is fully loaded, just serviced it. Tires are like brand new. Point out a couple little imperfections. So you got a couple little dings on the front door there. Do a quick walk around video. It's a 2.0 EcoBoost turbo 4-cylinder engine. Couple of little paint imperfections down there in the bumper. Drives really well. Gotta check out the inside. It has a sunroof. This thing has heated seats, air conditioned seats. See, there is some wear on the back seats here. It does have a sunroof. And some wear on the front seats as well. So the seats have some wear. Over here, give a crank up. Really nice car, all touch. Something you might be interested in, definitely give us a holler at 228-438-2056. You can also email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for checking out our video.